The MTM Link Driver app is a mobile app that helps drivers perform their daily tasks. You can use the app on iPhones, using an iPhone 4 or newer, iPads with cellular data and GPS, Android devices using version 3.0 or higher, and Android tablets with cellular data and GPS. You can download the app for free using the App Store or Google Play Store. To use the MTM Link Driver application on your mobile device, start by opening the app. MTM Health uses multi-factor authentication to log you into the Link Driver app. If required by your contract, this means you must enter a password and a code to log in. This is to verify your identity and protect information. On the login screen, enter your username and password, then tap the Sign In button. Check with your company's leadership if you encounter issues signing in. Next, request your authorization code to verify your identity. By default, your email address needs to be used. To use your phone number to receive the code, you'll need to update your contact information in the user profile section of the app to include your cell phone number. After you have selected how you want to receive the code, tap the Send Code button. Once you have received your code, return to the app and enter it correctly in the authorization code field. Please note, the code will only be valid for 10 minutes after you request it. You can request a new code after 10 minutes. Before tapping Submit, you can check the box Remember this device for 30 days. This is optional and means you won't need another code to log in from this device for 30 days. If you switch devices, you'll need to repeat the MFA process. Once you enter it correctly and tap on the Submit button, you will now be logged in. Ensure that location services are activated by tapping the Request Location Access button. From here, you will need to access your device's location services inside of the Settings menu and set it to Always On. Transportation providers and their drivers must ensure GPS data is collected for all trips, including both pickups and drop-offs. GPS data collection starts when leaving the home base, also referred to as a depot app. Once logged in, you may access your account tools by tapping the person icon found in the upper right-hand corner. To find the account details, you may tap the Profile option. That brings you to the user profile page, where you can find specific driver information, such as your driver's license number and VIN number. Ensure your contact information is up to date, including your email address and phone number. If your current contact information is not listed in your profile, you will not be able to sign into the app. To review your contact details within the user profile page, tap on the Contact Info field. Select either the phone number or email address section and use your device's keyboard to enter your contact details. Once complete, tap on the Update button to save your changes. Repeat the process as needed to keep all contact information current. You may also use the person icon to access the Settings menu. On this screen, you will be able to access features like the theme, language, privacy policy, and more. To enhance your device's battery life, we suggest using the dark theme. However, turning off dark mode might make it easier for you to read the text on the screen. To close, let's review some common terms used in the app. Depot refers to your home base, where your route typically begins and ends each day. An assignment is a list of trips detailing your route for the day, including all pickup and drop-off information. Arrive is an action to complete once you have arrived at a location. Perform is an action to complete showing a stop, indicating that a pickup or drop-off has been completed.
In this training, we will cover how to perform a depot and complete other necessary tasks using the MTM Link Driver app. Once you have logged in, you will see any active assignments here on the starting page. If you would like to view assignments on a separate date, you may tap this button to open the calendar. To view today's assignments, tap on the assignment box below. Please review all your trips on this screen prior to starting your shift. When you are ready to start your day, tap the Confirm button in the bottom right corner to depot out. Doing so will inform dispatch that you have your assignment, are logged into the driver app, and have begun your shift. It is crucial to perform the depot before leaving your home base to ensure accurate GPS data retrieval. If not done correctly, this will lead to inaccurate trip mileage and reporting, which may result in payment denials. On the assignments page, please note that the car icon represents the depot, while the P stands for pickup and the D for drop-off. Upon confirming the depot out task, it will be removed from your list. Your first task of the day will then become your first stop, followed by the remaining tasks in order. As you complete each task, it will be automatically removed from your assignments. Once you are ready to start a pickup, select it from the list below. The primary details of the stop will be located at the top of this page. If needed, you may tap the View Map button to launch Google Maps and get directions. Before continuing, please tap the View Details button. This screen will show specific trip details, including driver notes and contact information for the member. To return to a previous screen, simply swipe to the right. When you are ready to start your trip, tap the En route button, which indicates you are on your way to pick up the member. When you arrive at your destination, tap Arrive Pickup. This will launch a pop-up window that will require you to acknowledge your arrival. Once the member has entered the vehicle, tap the Perform Pickup button. Next, you will need to select one of the three options. Perform, for when the member enters the vehicle. Cancel, for when the member decides not to take the trip. Or Member No-Show, for when the member is not home or not answering your call. Please note that an on-site member cancellation, such as the member deciding to cancel their trip upon your arrival, must be logged as a no-show. If the member gets in the vehicle, capture the member's signature in the designated area and then tap Continue. For drop-offs, follow the same steps as you would for pickups. Tap En route when you are on the way. Once you arrive, tap the Arrive Drop-Off button and acknowledge the pop-up window on screen. Confirm by tapping either Accept or Cancel. Next, tap the Perform Pickup button. If the member gets in the vehicle, capture their signature and click Continue. If the member cancels or no-shows, select the correct option and continue to finish. There will be times when trips are added or deleted from your assignment. When this happens, you will be prompted with a pop-up asking you to acknowledge the change. A plus sign indicates an additional trip, while a minus sign indicates a cancellation or removal. Tap Acknowledge to accept these changes. Once acknowledged, the assignments list will update accordingly. Upon returning to your home base, select Depot In, which will be the only item left once all trips are completed. From here, you will be able to see the assignment summary, including the number of completed trips, miles, member cancellations, no-shows, and eligible claims. After reviewing these details, tap the Complete Assignment button. Take note of the message on this screen before signing below. Use your finger to provide your signature and then press Continue to end your shift.